Welcome everyone to another exciting video. Vietnam is a stunning country stretching from misty mountains to endless beaches, full of ancient history, mouth-watering street food, and warm smiles everywhere. Imagine cruising emerald bays, wandering colorful lantern-lit towns, hiking epic rice terraces, or relaxing on tropical islands. Vietnam offers adventure, culture, and relaxation, all in one incredible journey. Today, we're counting down the 10 must-visit places that make this country unforgettable. Stick around for the iconic number 1 that everyone dreams of seeing. Let's dive in. Starting at number 10, Hue, the ancient imperial capital with majestic citadels, royal tombs, and the peaceful Perfume River. Explore UNESCO-listed palaces, cruise on traditional dragon boats, and savor royal cuisine. Hue is a beautiful step back into Vietnam's royal past. Number 9, Da Nang. This vibrant coastal city boasts the famous Golden Hands Bridge, stunning Mai Kay Beach, and mysterious Marble Mountains caves. Watch the Dragon Bridge breathe fire at night. Da Nang mixes modern fun with natural beauty perfectly. At number 8, Nha Trang, Vietnam's beach paradise with crystal waters, coral reefs for snorkeling, and relaxing mud baths. Hop islands, ride cable cars to amusement parks, or just lounge on white sands. Nha Trang is pure seaside bliss. Number 7, Dalat. The city of eternal spring in the cool highlands, surrounded by pine forests, colorful flower gardens, and waterfalls. Explore French-style villas, ride cable cars for views, or sip coffee overlooking lakes. Dalat feels like a romantic escape. Coming in at number 6, Phu Quoc. This tropical island gem has some of Vietnam's best beaches, fresh seafood, and the world's longest cable car ride. Snorkel vibrant reefs, relax in luxury resorts, or explore pepper farms. Phu Quoc is ultimate island relaxation. Number 5, the Mekong Delta, a maze of rivers, floating markets like Kai Rang, and lush green orchards. Cruise narrow canals, taste tropical fruits, visit villages, and experience authentic rural life. The Delta is Vietnam's vibrant heart. At number 4, Ho Chi Minh City. Formerly Saigon, this buzzing metropolis mixes French colonial buildings with modern skyscrapers. Shop vibrant markets, savor endless street food, and explore history. It's Vietnam's exciting pulse. Number 3, Hanoi, the charming capital with tree-lined streets, ancient old quarter, and serene Hoan Kiem Lake. Watch unique water puppet shows, sip egg coffee, and wander narrow alleys full of life. Hanoi captures Vietnam's soul. Number 2, Hoi An. This UNESCO ancient town glows with thousands of colorful lanterns at night. Wander preserved yellow houses, get custom clothes made, cycle through rice fields, or relax on nearby beaches. Hoi An is pure fairy tale charm. And number 1, Ha Long Bay. This UNESCO wonder with thousands of dramatic limestone islands rising from emerald waters. Cruise on traditional junks, explore glowing caves, kayak hidden lagoons. Ha Long Bay is Vietnam's breathtaking crown jewel. There you have it, Vietnam's 10 must-visit places for an unforgettable adventure. From misty bays to lantern-lit towns, this country will steal your heart. Which one is calling you first? Drop a comment below, like if you're inspired, and subscribe for more travel guides. Thanks for watching. See you in Vietnam.